What up everybody, welcome to Brick Hive. Thank you for joining me. Here we go, shout out to speed build number 15. So today's shout out is going to go to Brick Clicker. So I'm sure probably all of you have heard, if not most of you have heard what happened to Fairy Bricks, the charity that gives Lego sets to kids. And we've already talked about this and stuff, but the reason I bring it up is because Brick Clicker just did an amazing job of organizing like the GoFundMe page for them, and you know, organizing like the charity streams, reaching out to everybody. Just amazing work. And you know, I feel, you know, despite some drama, that we have a really strong Lego community. I feel like we always look out for each other, but Brick Clicker really went above and beyond doing what he did to help Fairy Bricks out. And we raised the goal that I think was set. I think we might have even went past the goal, honestly. I haven't checked in a little while, but yeah, I just really cool guy, man. Really nice. You know, he's also got a really cool sense of humor. Yeah, I noticed that when I first started watching, you know, some of his videos and stuff like that. The thing I really just, like I said, I wanted to touch upon was just how nice that was of what he did for Fairy Bricks. I mean, it's just really awesome. So, you know, big kudos to you for that, Brick Clicker. However, you know, just wanted to go over a few other things that I thought was pretty cool. First of all, congratulations on 3,000 subscribers. And on a little side note, I wanted to say to Brickin' It, congratulations to you for 1,000. So good job to both of you guys. Also, he did like a follow-up on his podcast that he has, which I'll get to in just a minute, about the Fairy Bricks thing, and like everybody who donated and helped out, you know, here and there and stuff. You know, he gave, you know, a shout out to all of them, myself included. You know, I'm sure. I'm trying to think of where I'm gonna have. So I'm sure you can see my name in the picture above, as well as many others, but you know, just really, again, really awesome. That was nice of him to give us a shout out on his stream. So, you know, I mentioned he's a nice guy, and I mentioned also he had a sense of humor. Got some really neat video themes. You know, he does like a Lego top 10, different types of top 10 videos. Does Lego hunts, and I'm a big fan of that, as you guys know, Lego Hunter B. You know, that's really cool. It's always interesting following people when they're on their Lego hunts and seeing how they go about doing things, where they go, stuff like that. He puts out news videos as well, and I gotta tell you, a lot of them are, you know, they're breaking news, you know, on the dot. I noticed, I haven't gone through every one of his videos yet, but I noticed at least two. He's got these music videos, and they're really great. Like, he infused this like a pop song with Lego, and I just thought that was really awesome. It's really cool. Yeah, an original, you know, I mean, you don't really see that very often. And the last thing I wanted to talk about was the stream that he does. I see Generic Stud and Brickin' It on there with him, and I think it's just them three, and they have some guests. I don't know the exact format of how they do it every week. I've only seen a few of them. I apologize. I'm trying to watch as many as I can. But but it's called Clicker and Stud, and it's very cool. They talk about a lot of very interesting things, and basically anything that has to do with Lego. Yeah, you should definitely check them out. Big, like I said, 4 thumbs up to Brick Clicker. You know, go check out his channel. Go subscribe. You know, just show him some love. All right. So as far as the speed build goes, I thought since Brick Clicker was from across the pond, I'd go ahead and do the London architecture. So this is my first architecture set. I'm very excited. If I didn't have this city, I'd be really into these. I'd make a huge city probably just out of these things. But yeah, I just think it's very neat. I love how they do the micro scale stuff. Looking forward to building this and see how it goes. But before we get into that speed build, as always, I just want to thank you. All of you are awesome. I very much appreciate everything you do for the channel. So if you like my channel, if you like my content, if you thought the shout out video was pretty cool, why don't you go ahead and take your ninja sword, slice that like button for me, and subscribe. Join the Brick Hive. Bye.